In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Zephyr in Jira. This is a powerful plugin for Jira users who are looking to streamline their test management processes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. We'll begin by navigating to the Apps section in your Jira menu. You'll want to select Explore More Apps, which will take you to the marketplace where numerous plugins are available for your selection. Here you can search for Zephyr for Jira or Zephyr Scale. If you're not sure which one to choose, both options integrate smoothly with Jira, offering comprehensive test management features. Once you've located the app, click on it and you'll be presented with options to either try it free or to install the plugin directly. If you're the cautious type, opting for the free trial is a great way to test if Zephyr meets your project's needs. The installation process is straightforward and Jira will guide you through the necessary steps, activating the plugin within moments. After installation, the next step is to select the Jira project where you plan to use Zephyr. Navigate to this project and locate project settings in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking here will open a door to countless customization options to tailor the project's environment to your specifications. Within the project settings, you'll find an Apps option. Selecting this will allow you to enable Zephyr for your project. You'll most likely see a section for Zephyr Scale or possibly Zephyr Squad depending on the version you've selected. Click on this section to make sure the app is activated for your chosen project. Now with Zephyr activated, you can dive into configuring its settings according to your project requirements. This includes enabling or disabling Zephyr Scale projects to match your workflow, managing global and project-specific access restrictions, and other customization options. These settings are designed to give you control over how Zephyr integrates within your team and project, ensuring a seamless alignment with your existing processes. Throughout this configuration process, remember that each adjustment you make will affect how Zephyr interacts with your project framework. Taking the time to thoroughly review the settings can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your test management tasks. That's all there is to it. Configuring Zephyr in Jira isn't just about adding a tool, it's about enhancing your workflow and opening up new possibilities for managing tests more efficiently. Enjoy exploring all that Zephyr offers and how it can contribute to the successful delivery of your projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Jira tutorials.